I have asked God some questions, especially when it has to do with survival. Two different scenarios now. Mr. A was shot, 1 bullet, he died. Mr. B was shot, 5 bullets, yet he survives. What is the difference between them? Somebody has cancer, not up to stage 4, the person dies. Yet there is someone I know who had same cancer, yet did not die. What is the mystery behind this? And God said something to me, which is what I want us to convert to prayers. The Lord told me why it is so. It's because of the strength of the spirit of a man. If your spirit is weak, it can easily check out of your body. The real you is not your spirit. The real you is not your body. The real you is your soul. Your soul is the fraction of your identity. It is the mixture of the spirit you and the body you is what produced the real you, which is your soul. When God created Adam in Genesis chapter 1 verse 27, he was a spirit. And then in Genesis chapter 2 verse 7, God molded the clay, took the spirit and mixed it with the clay man. He became a living soul. He formed an identity. So God brought a material from himself and then a material from the earth. God is block, right? For building house, right? This block is called block because it's a mixture of cement and sand. Just like primary color, when we mix a primary color with a primary color, it becomes a secondary color. That secondary color is now a new identity. So God brought a material of his spirit and then brought another material, mix it together. He produced an identity. That's why when a man dies, the spirit of the man returns back to God. Because people have asked me this question, since you are tripartite, how are we going to be judged? Is it that my spirit will stand here, my soul will stand here? Which one will be judged? Your spirit is not the real you. Your spirit is called ruach, breath. Your spirit does not have a shape. Your spirit is just like wind. When a man dies, according to Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 7, his spirit goes back to God that gave it. The body returns back to the ground. Then the soul, which is his real identity, is what goes for judgment. Your soul and your body cannot stay together. The binding cord, what keeps you in your body, the ring, according to Ecclesiastes, that bind your soul to your body is your spirit. Once your spirit goes, your soul leaves your body. And there is nothing any man of God can do to bring your soul back to your body until that breath or your spirit comes back into your body. It has the capacity to draw your soul into your body. Point I'm trying to make is this: when your spirit is weak, your soul can easily check out of your body. So the reason why people die at a slightest issue, somebody hears bad news, the person dies, is because the spirit is weak. The Bible says it is your spirit that sustains your infirmity. That means that if your spirit is weak, you can easily die at any time. Small thing that people survive can be your own destruction. But do you know that some people, the strength of their spirit, no matter the arrow they receive, will not die because their spirit is strong. That was what happened to Jesus. The thief beside Jesus died. The second one died of affliction. Yet they stabbed, they beat him, they shot him, did everything. He was still there. When he was done, he now said, "Now I'm ready to go." He said, "Unto thy hands I commit my spirit," because his spirit was so strong, bear that infirmity. If God can empower your spirit, longevity will not be far from you. Spirit can't stay in an environment that has some deteriorations. Or when your spirit is so strong, at the highest level of pain, it can still stay and bear it. So you're going to cry, first of all, Lord, empower and energize my spirit.